Okay.
Hi, it's Fenna, and today we go for bold, platinum. We go to
ultra short platinum blonde.
Ultra.
When you are bold, you cannot get platinum blonde. Then I have to do it with with paint or something. That doesn't matter. We turn around to show you your current hairstyle. Thank you very much. Let's start on you.
Yes.
Hello friends on YouTube. Dippity-doo-da, dippity-doo. My oh my, it's a wonderful day. Give her hair some sunshine. Right now today. Dippity-doo-da, dippity-day.
Yoop yoop.
We're going for ultra short platinum blonde.
Yes.
The nuns will like it.
Yeah.
Start by wetting the hair. Not too much, just a little bit. I'm not gonna make it clipper short as hard as clipper short. Make it ultra short, but in a nice way, so it is still feminine and it can grow back very nicely.
Dit is eigenlijk ook al vet zo.
Ja, zeker.
Dit vind ik ook wel tof.
Ondeugend staat er.
Ja, dat vind ik wel. Het maakt me weer speels.
Ja, maar je kunt niet zien hoeveel ondeugende kapsels jij kunt hebben. Je hebt echt een hele mooie kop voor ondeugende kapsels.
Ja.
Okay, starting on top, show you from the sides. You can lift the hairs up in the center line and leave over about 1.5 centimeters or something like that. And now I have to play with the roundings of her scalp because otherwise I cannot get a shape in it, and I really want the shape in it. Get rid of the boyish lines on the sides. Je hebt best een donkere kleur van jezelf.
Het is heel donker,
ja,
hè?
Ja.
Ja. Ik vind het ook wel mooi als het wat lichter is.
Ja, je hebt dadelijk gewoon superleuk. Platinum blond is echt keileuk.
Ja, daar ben ik heel benieuwd
naar. Heel
naar.
ondeugend staat er.
Ja. Ik vind het ook altijd heel mooi verzorgd als haren geverfd zijn.
Heel leuk.
Maar het groeit dan uit en dat vind ik altijd lastig.
Ja, maar goed, daar heb je nou mij voor.
Ja, daarom.
En ik vind het ook leuk om die kapsels allemaal weer te laten zien en we terug laten groeien naar waar we gaan.
Ja.
For those who watched all the videos we made of her hairstyle, I'm going to also support her in the way back to the hairstyle she really likes, because for her it's the real experience to go this short.
Yes.
She never had it this short.
No, never.
But it's very important that you also can see her back in my videos, and you can see how I guide her back into the hairstyle she really likes.
Yeah.
And I hope she stays modeling for me, but I saw the twinkle in her eyes with all the hairstyles, so I'm certain that she really likes the experience with hair.
Yes.
So we will certainly be, for a long time, partners in crime.
We will. I also trust you, that's very important.
That's very important.
Yeah.
See how beautiful the roundings are when you take it in the natural lines, again in the natural lines, go in the opposite lines of the fall of the hairs. With a comb you can guide the hairs, you can adapt even irregular things in the hair. So when there's a part that's laying flat, you can leave it a little bit longer. If it sticks out, you can make it a little bit shorter. So you can really play with the hairs, and that you never can do with a clipper comb, because it just roughly takes off the hairs in all the same length, and you never get the nice feeling of that sexy short hair. En dit voelt ook wel lekker, hè?
Ja, heel verlichtend.
Ja, dat is het absoluut.
Ja. Ik vind dit ook wel heel mooi, zo de zijkanten.
Oh, ja, dat is echt prachtig.
Ik vind het, ja, het staat echt heel mooi.
Ja, het is heel schoon.
Ja.
Het heeft een heel rein
Ja, en
gevoel.
ik vind dit toch ook wel vet, het speelse zo.
Ja. Ja, we kunnen alle kanten op staan.
Ja.
And for those who watch the total experience of these videos, this is the not the last video, because I will make after this video also a video online that you can see all the hairstyles she had in one video. But as an experience and also the steps we made to get her to a short hairstyle, I think it's really wonderful that you saw all the videos of how to make these hairstyles. And for us it was wonderful that her friend was here.
Yeah.
He was also a part of this birth
Yeah.
of short hair.
Yeah.
And it takes some guts to get to these lines, but if you want to go short, find a hairdresser who likes to do it and not just take a clipper and clipper it off, because you can get all the hairstyles in between, and then you can see which hairstyle you like the most, and grow back to that.
Yeah, step by step.
Yeah.
And trust. Trust is also very important.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And when you want to find a hairdresser like this, just go on the street, ask the people who you like the hairstyle of, which hairstylist did it, and they will tell you the name. And when you ask them, you know which hairdresser you have to go to, because 5, 6 of those hairstyles will be cut by the same hairdresser.
Or come to the Netherlands, to Nijmegen, to Theo.
Be a YouTube model. For free. Coming on the other side. Now I have asymmetrical short hairstyle. But that we didn't go for. En het leuke daar van als je dat lichte blonde haar hebt, lijkt het ook nog veel korter.
Ja.
Kijk, onteugend hoor.
Ja. Het is echt weg, hè?
Ja, ja schat. Yes. The way of no return.
Yes. Een kleine pony, zullen we het zo laten?
Ja. Oh nee. Dat zou het zijn, zo eens een plukje.
Ja.
Het is wel eigenzinnig.
Ja, dat wel, maar...
Nou, lijkt me ook niks.
Nee. Past niet bij me.
Zij zit terwijl ze net
Ja.
haar afknipt. Past niet bij me.
Nee.
Giving her a short fringe. Beautiful. This is, of course, she gets a beautiful round shaped skull line. And you see the beauty of her by the way her skull is, because she has a beautiful character. That's the most important thing for me as a hairdresser. She can wear it, that's also very important. And yeah, for me it's a luck that she came to me and modeled for me, because I really like the power of this woman. And if I can do a hairstyle like this, and even when I lay in bed, call me out, I will be there. Then I don't need sleep. I really like to be a hairdresser. It's my greatest love.
Yeah, you can see it.
Also my wife knows this. That's also important. She don't gonna beg from stay home. No love, I have to go. It's beauty of duty.
Yeah.
Now what I told you about scissor over comb, you can see this part of the hair is a little bit higher up. So there I can go a little bit shorter, so I get more the round shapes. And that's the beauty of doing it with scissor over comb techniques. Nou, en mocht je nou deze week nog denken van ik wil toch iemand ondeuzen, kort dan ook het wel.
Ja.
Dat kan altijd nog.
Alles kan.
Maar ik vind dit wel leuk omdat je er nog een beetje mee kunt spelen. And the beauty of this is that we're gonna bleach your hair also platinum blonde.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, you have something that spring, yeah, likes.
Yeah.
And the beauty of spring is that the sun is light, the colors are light, the flowers are not there, the insects are coming out, the birds are whistling, the wind is blowing fresh, the sun is always a little bit warmer, but the wind is a little bit cold.
Yeah.
But that's also the beauty of spring.
Yes.
The start of everything new.
Yeah. The new life.
And that's also with this hairstyle, she also starts a new thing, because you will certainly have a lot of friends who react differently on what you have.
Yes. And they don't know.
No. Yeah, we send them a photo of the hairs on the ground.
Yeah. Only that.
Yeah. False.
Yeah.
It's not a bit naughty.
Yes.
But naughty is nice.
That's why they like me.
Yeah, I'm naughty. By the second name, naughty.
Yeah.
I think this is very beautiful for short hair. Very still feminine. It feels really nice. But see how beautiful her little skull is now. The shapes of the little skull. So she will turn around to show you this, and then I'm gonna make a bleach, set it on, and then of course you see us doing that, and we show you also the end result. So thank you for being my model, thank you for watching, and she will turn now, and then we go for coloring.
Yes, bye bye.
Ah, dit is wel helemaal anders, hè. Zo mooi puur. Okay, made the bleach, made the blue bleach. Put a photo of the product into the video. Made it with 9% as 30 volume. Put step 1 in of the glint line. This to reduce the heat of the process, but also to hold the hairs in the most wonderful condition I ever can have. But also the skin is protected by the heat. If the product warms up, mostly the skin don't like that much. There's no ammonia in the product. It's paraben free. First time she goes platinum blonde.
Yes.
It's also the first time she has this short hair.
Yes. Everything new.
Yeah. I told her in the front, when I as a hairdresser have new bleach, I always test it on myself. I take 12%, that's 40 volumes, I take the hardest we can get in the Netherlands, and then put it on my own head, just to feel what it does. This way I learn the most of bleaching, and before I do anything to my customers, I've experienced it on myself first. then I also know what I do to them. Then I take a fine part of my carton wick, lay it on the contour line. This just to reduce the plastic foil and the bleach, that they come together, because then it can heat up a little bit in the process. I don't like that on the skin, so that's why I protect the skin. And bleach is a powder product, so it always wants to get somewhere because it rises up. And now it can rise up into the plastic foil, so it doesn't reach the skin. Mostly like a little part on top, so I have also there more light and air between it. Make sure everything is set in. Get rid of my clubs. Close the foil. Then we're off. And don't ask her smart questions, because she's blonde. She's a smart blonde. I'm certain of that. Don't go away.
See you in 20 minutes.
Hello friends, back after 30 minutes. We rinse it out, put a toner over it to reduce the yellow tones, because she has ultra dark hair. Gave her a conditioner to stay at home. Add the silver lines of glint. So now I'm going to blow dry the hair. Ik zou niet zeggen dat ik een grote borstel ga doen, hè. Beetje uitgedut, hè, want dat was wel nodig.
Ja, maar je bent natuurlijk nu heel erg naar de bodem gegaan, hè?
Ja, een klein beetje. The sofa blow drying, and now I'm going to create a combination between crystal turn and a shaper. Make a combination between crystal turn as a Goldware product and a spider as a glint product. Bring them together, so it gives a flexible, with a bit shine product. Those are mixed into each other, and she really likes it when it's a bit rough. So when she likes it a bit rough, I make it a bit rough. And the beautiful thing about this styling product in combination with each other is that it gives a little bit glow, but it makes it also possible to get through the hairs, because she is going to go to the friends and they will certainly go in with their hands into the hairs.
Yeah. And I will do the same.
Yeah, whole night. I wonder what she says when she wakes up tomorrow. Mama! He cut my hair!
Well done.
Okay, I thank you for watching and thank her for being my wonderful model. We see each other next video and she will turn around to show you the end result. Ik zal hem heel even... Super cool.
Nice.
Dankjewel.
Jij ook.
Change for the Piccadilly and Victoria line. Exit for Buckingham Palace.